Before starting this video, I have to tell you this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. I am just a student of cryptocurrencies and have been actively studying the industry for 2 years now. Again, I am not a so-called trader. I just love the technology and find it fun. And this video is for entertainment purposes only. So the question are cryptocurrency a scam? The answer is yes. I mean no. Can you make money? Yes. Can you lose money? Yes. Is it illegal? No. Is it legal? No. Did any of my answers make sense? No. Did I lie? No. So before we can talk about cryptocurrency overall, we must take a look at BTC, also known as Bitcoin. In this video, this is not about how Bitcoin works or how to invest. This is just a comparison of Bitcoin and gold. Because gold is considered to be the gold standard and one of the safest investment someone can make. People from all backgrounds are using it for hundreds of years. So I just said Bitcoin is not a scam, but someone will say my cousin's friend's uncle lost money on Bitcoin. He lives on the streets now. Sorry, but he did not buy Bitcoin. He bought BitConnect or OneCoin. In this video, I will take a look at Bitcoin and gold today. So no Dogecoin talk here. So here we take a look at the Bitcoin chart of 2021 as a whole first. So if anyone bought Bitcoin 1 year ago on September of 2021, September, October of 2021, like we will 2020, okay, 2020 to 2021, he would be in the total profit of 373.63% right now. Alright, and this is like not the maximum amount of profit someone could have made, but the profit right now. The maximum they could have gotten is about 516%. Alright, so the maximum loss someone has gotten till now in this year. The maximum loss someone is in right now is only 22.92%. Like if someone bought the peak, there still be only loss of 22%. Alright, so let's take a look at gold with the same concept, like the maximum loss and maximum profits someone could have gotten this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 months, like here, about here price. Alright, if someone invested in gold 1 year ago, he still would be in about a loss of 6.5%. If he bought 1 month ago, 2 months ago, he will be in loss of 3.78%. Alright, and if someone was smart and bought here this month, the smartest gold investor this year would have only made 0.28% profit. Not even catching up to inflation here. Alright, some people will say like gold is not about making year-on-year profits, but alright, let's take a look at 10 years. So if someone bought gold in mid 2011, If someone bought gold in mid 2011, let's take a look what would happen in 10 years time. They will be in a net loss due to inflation. Nothing, no profit, nothing. It's at the same price it was at 10 years ago. Like, if you have the background like gold is the best thing ever and investing in it is the safest, like, I don't know, nothing is happening here. So here, if you bought Bitcoin in 2011, you would be in a profit of 1,100,000, 5,605%. And if you bought gold 10 years ago, you will still be in a loss due to inflation on October 7th of 2011. So I don't know, is gold a scam? I don't know, you tell me. I am not a gold hater, I love gold. I just think it's the natural currency of the world, but we are not living in a natural world. The world runs on the man-made network called the internet, and it requires a currency native to the internet. Right now, we need to send millions of dollars to other countries in a few minutes. With gold, it's simply just not possible to send in a few minutes. This is why gold has been left in the dust for the last decade, and new technologies like Bitcoin keep making higher high to a higher high every few years. It will be profitable sooner than most people think, but if you want to buy Bitcoin, there are a lot of things you must understand, and I will make more videos about it. How to practically use it, transfer, receive, make a wallet, subscribe. I will talk about other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Ethereum, and why they are a scam and not a scam at the same time.